The Duo Toilet series by Fluid was designed around flexibility. Different environments and situations require different flush volumes for toilets for maximum efficiency. With Duo, you can order the flush volume according to the requirements of your environment, and you can adjust it even after it's been installed. There are 2 Fluid Duo models and 1 special edition model, Duo 0.8, Duo 1, and Duo 1.28. The toilets are exactly the same, except that the outlet valves are set to deliver different flush volumes. The special edition Duo 0.8 uses setting number 5 and flushes using only 0.8 gallons or 3 liters of water per flush. Duo 1 uses setting 3.5 and uses 1 gallon or 3.8 liters per flush. And Duo 1.28 uses setting 2.5, which delivers 1.28 gallons or 4.8 liters per flush. To change the setting, you simply have to slide the indicator to the appropriate setting. Push the button below the setting indicator and slide it up or down. This setting is quite stiff by design, as you don't want it to move once set, so it can be a little bit tricky to move. We found it easier to slide downward than up, so if you're reducing the flush volume by moving the setting downward, you should be able to do this quite easily. If you want to decrease the flush volume by moving the indicator to a lower flush volume, we find it easiest to push the button and slide the indicator all the way to the top. Then push the button again and slide it downward to the desired flush volume. Once you adjust to the desired flush volume, release the button and you're done. For more information on the adjustment or for assistance with any of our products, please contact our customer support team at 1-800-460-7019 or email us at help@sustainablesolutions.com. Our team is available Monday to Friday from 8 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. Pacific Time and would love to hear from you.